Hope all of you are fine, enjoying also. And I'm here with the poem of chapter 8. The name of the poem is Talk About Caves. So you can easily understand that it's all about a cave and caves, and we'll come to know what the poet he expresses or he told about caves, right? All about caves will come to know, right? See, this picture is in your book, and see how the dragon is lying on that goals and all, and see the dragon, it's inside the cave only, and he says it's his storeroom, strong storeroom. Now talk about caves, tell us about them. What's a cave? What it like? My strong room, mine, said the dragon said. Cave, what is cave? You don't know? It's my storeroom. It's my strong storeroom. I keep, I hid, or I used to hide my things over here. It's a place, cool and calm place where I can store all these costly things, jewelry, and I love to sleep on them. Where I hid my gorgeous gold, but they lay floating there so long. In the end, he turned to stone, crawled down his twisting throat. You can, for his breath quite cold, quite cold. So he's saying, this is my storeroom, and I kept all this jewelry and all, and these are very gorgeous gold, shining gold, right? And but he lay floating, the dragon, he lay floating on the gold, और उसके ऊपर वो सो गया तो floating like, and he turned into stone, crawled down his twisting throat. You can, for his breath quite cold. So when it lay down on gold, just looking like he's floating on the gold, and slowly he turned into stone, means goes to sleep. he he fell into deep sleep, right? And breath quite cold when he fell asleep. So his breathing stopped, and um, it's giving cold feeling, right? My house once, whispered the caveman's ghost. Oh, it was good, wrapped in fur by the fire, to hear the roaring beasts in the wood and sleep sound in earth's arm. If you find my old knife there, you can keep it. So what he's saying, once it was called that ghost house. Inside the cave no one is there, and only the dragon is there, and it's very dark place, very dark, cold and cool place. No one is there, and he called that this cave was called that ghost house. भूत का घर है ये, क्योंकि उसमें रोशनी नहीं जाता है बिल्कुल, केव के अंदर बिल्कुल, देर इज नो सनलाइट, देर इज नो एयर, नथिंग. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इट वॉज कॉल्ड गोस्ट हाउस. My bold hole from the beginning night said, where I have stayed safe from my enemy. Day I watched through a crack the sun beating away at the door. Open up, he shouts, he will never get in. So the sun, it's saying, I will not go inside because it's very dark. I do not want to go inside. I'm very happy outside. I will never go inside. You are living in a dark place. It's very dark, and I don't like this. Always you are having in a night position, because inside the cave there is no light, and it's very difficult to enter sunlight. So because it's night, and the son, he doesn't want to go inside. He said, no, I'm very happy over here. You be in your night place, because inside the cave always it's dark, so it is called only night. I wash my hands here and slow as I like. I make new beds to lie on in secret rooms with pillows and curtains and lovely ornaments, statues and thrones. So he said, here this is a water place. I wash my hands over here. Inside the cave water is available, and he said, I'm very happy over here. I have a separate room, sacred room, where I can sleep with that lovely pillows and curtains and lovely ornaments also, and statues and thorns. So many things are there. Statues like gold statues and thorns, that mukut, crown, and all these things are there. So I'm very happy over there. I do not want anything else. I'm very happy over here. I have separate room inside the cave. I can make my bed differently with pillows and curtains. What colors the dark hides? What colors the dark hides? I shape earth's bone. Don't disturb me, the bat said. This is where I hang my weary head. What colors the dark inside? The bat is saying, what color is inside? अंदर के कलर क्या है? Inside the cave, what is the color? I don't know what is the color inside. I shape earth's bone. I shape earth's bone. Don't disturb me. The bat, how it hang itself, how does it hang, or how did it hang himself? Always keeping its head down and holding upside with its legs. Have you seen bats? You didn't say. If you go to the Lakota Talab now, many bats you will see hanging on the tree. So sometimes you go there and you can see also. Okay, so he says, okay, this is where I hang my very head. I do not want kid. Do not interest. I'm not interested what is the color inside. I'm very happy at the main gate or at the main entrance. I hanging over here, and I shape earth's bone. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. I'm sleeping here. Don't disturb me. I'm very happy over here, and I'm not interested what is the color inside. Sun is entering, sunlight is entering inside or not. For that also I'm not interested. I'm very happy hanging like this way. So this much only. Hope you understood. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.